What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be refactoring our Fruit Ninja code, and so let's get on with it. I'm sorry, I'm super late today. I accidentally fell asleep once I got home, and then I had to eat a late dinner, so yeah, it was pretty late. Okay, so first of all, I've noticed, as you can see, game over, I broke it. Yeah. So, they spawn way too fast, but that's something we can easily change. Oh, I guess it's here. I guess that's where I change it. Let's see. Is this where I change it? Yes, that's where I changed it. Okay. So that's that. I feel like we need to increase the gravity too. This is all like stuff we can change later on. Whoa. Okay, I guess we need them to launch quicker. Or harder, I guess. But yeah, as you can see, the game over, I find that I'm not too crazy about that. End game, let's actually, change the stroke. We don't want a stroke. I think we just want a no stroke. There we go. So if we say no stroke and we say fill, and I also want this to be more like, let's make it 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. I think this might look a little bit better. There we go. Game over, press F5 to restart. I'm liking that a little bit more. Real quickly, I'm going to comment that, and we will say, ends the loop, draws a message. There we go. Pretty simple. This one is also simple. Draws score in the top or left. It's the left, my bad. Draw lives. Draws lives in the top right. This one's the top right. Okay, now we have the draw function. Okay, so we have our gravity, our sword, our fruit, on screen, fruit there, good, sword is good. Now what we want to do is say, okay, we have our sword, our blade, that's cool, frame rate is 60, that's cool. We have our draw, so, okay, let's go up here. We'll have like a fruit handler. No. So, function handle, mouse, handle sword, nah, mouse. Or maybe sword. Maybe we actually will do sword. Yeah, let's do sword. So if we do this, we X that, put that down there, shift tab it over its head, and then we come over here and cut this, and then paste this, tab it, move it, there we go. That'll be good. Score plus equals points. So now we need a fruit handler. So let's say handle mouse, handle fruit. There we go. Function handle fruit. Okay, so push new fruit. I'd like this to be explicit with its brackets. There, nice. So that's checking for new fruit. Now, what we want to say is, we will return the amount of points. This is going to say handle fruit. There we go. I guess we could just kind of say score plus equals handle fruit. I can make that a variable later on if I'd like. Okay, so handle mouse. We get a sword.update. So okay, let's document handle fruit. Did I accidentally cut that? There we go. Okay, good. I thought I had completely deleted everything. And then let's say return points. There we go. So this is this so far. Let's say we have draw and an update. So this draws and updates them. Then we say if it's visible, if the fruit is, if it's visible, is no longer on screen. There we go. We will move this here, and then we will say if we haven't sliced, yeah, and it's not a bomb. Okay, so obviously I kind of want, we're just gonna say bomb. If lives less than 1, whoop, game over. Yeah, if it's game over. Okay, delete invisible fruit from array. That's what we're doing. Now we want to say is if we sliced the fruit, add to the points. Okay, let's try this. See, now we want combos. Now we could kind of do combos, I think. Well, no, because then you could just kind of hold the that's only one update loop, so no, that wouldn't work, sadly. Okay, push new fruit, we're good. Handle slicing fruit. Okay. Return, yeah, okay. Return points, that's what we're doing. Okay, so pushes and updates fruit. Returns, what does it return? Points. Okay. Scored, not gained. There we go. I'm really cold. Okay. Let's do this now. Handle mouse. What is handle mouse gonna do? We have swings the sword. Yeah, swings and draws the sword. Swinging. Update half the time. There we go. Then we draw. So now that's documented. Draw lives in the top right. Let's make this there. Okay, so everything seems pretty good so far. What we want to do is make sure that everything looks nice. Score, handle mouse, draw score, draw lives. Good, good, good. Everything's good. Okay, cool. Now we'll go on to blade. C. I think that's color. So let's change this to. Let's change that to that. Find all. Replace. Find. Okay. Find. And wait. Replace. There. Find. There we go. Okay. Color. Color. Swipes. So, so we have the swipe, let's see. Swipes. It's the swipes. This is, blade movement. It's not diffusing, it's kind of just disappearing. Appearing. Is that how you spell disappearing? Disappearing. Oh, I put one too many S's. There. Oh, nope, didn't mean to do that. There we go. So if we come back here, we go into the update function, and we're going to comment out a fading blade movement. So here's where we fade their swipe. Fades swipe or blade movement. Fades blade movement. There we go. Delete last value. Delete to possible here. Okay, we'll have a constant. Constant blade length equals, and right now we'll make it 20. But we'll go here, paste that there. Delete to every other frame. There we go. Delete last value. That's what we're doing there. Now we have check for slice. So here, tests whether the past fruit is sliced by the sword's swipe. There, okay. So right here we want to change this to fruit. I accidentally, nope, there. I want this to expand. I didn't mean to unexpand that. Fruit.sliced, L equals, okay, length, swipes out length of sword, there we go. F.sliced equals sliced, return slice, then we say, okay, here's where we do the calculations. Okay, so D1 means, okay, let's see, F dot, okay, okay, hang on, nah, okay, let's do var stroke 1 equals this dot swipes L minus 1, or really it'd be length minus 1. Okay, var stroke 2 equals this dot swipes length minus 2. Oh, didn't mean that. So what we're doing here is we're getting latest stroke. So this would be the biggest dot on the screen, because when you, as you can see, when you swipe, oop, we have an error. Right, because we have an error. Anyways, this is going to be stroke 1. This is going to be stroke 2. As you can see, it's a smaller one. It's the, this will be the second to latest stroke. There we go. I will just say stroke 1. Stroke 1, stroke 1, this time stroke 2, stroke 2, fruit, 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 fruit. We'll go back to stroke 1 there, and stroke 1 dot y, and then stroke 2 dot x, stroke 2 dot y. There we go. So distance, okay. So what we're doing here is calculating calculate distance from stroke 1 and 2 from fruit. Calculate distance from stroke 1 to stroke 2. If stroke 1, okay. So this is okay. Obviously this needs to be stroke 1 or fruit. Okay. If stroke 1, so fruit has a size. There we go. If stroke 1, so how are we calculating this? Oh goodness. So we're saying if D1 is okay, so we're saying if stroke 1 lands directly on the fruit. Okay. Oh wait. Let me X this. So that's that. If stroke 1 lands directly on the fruit. Now we're saying, here, let me tab this over. So here we are saying, or if D, so we're checking if the distance from okay, so distance from stroke 1 from the fruit has got to be less than the okay, so if the fruit falls between stroke 1 and stroke 2. So that's that. Now we're saying D3 is less than width over 4. Okay. So this, if there is a new stroke, there we go. New stroke. Don't connect to. So yeah, that was a bug where if we clicked here and then we clicked there, it would count that as a stroke, but really it wasn't a stroke. So blade length, we have a blade length and constant blade size equals width over 4 would be 150. So this is number of strokes. It's not a max, ideal number of strokes. Before fading. So this one is now, this one is maximum point to connect to strokes. Maximum distance between points to connect. There we go. Okay. So that's that. This now needs to be changed. I feel like this needs to be size. This needs to be length. There we go. So let's say this one is blade size. This one is blade length. There we go. Okay. So what I want to be able to do is say we have an update. I wish we could delete, because if they just keep like stroking like this, that's fine. But if they stroke and then they stroke again, you want to make sure that you know what? Nah. I think we're fine on that. Update fruit properties and then return. Here we simply draws the blade in a certain color, right? C. What is C? Do we ever use C? We do not. Do we ever use P? Where would we use P? I don't understand where we would use P. Sword.draw, we don't. I guess that's because, yeah, I think we copy and pasted here. Draws the blade. Shrink dots. Okay. So let's change this to length. There, good. And I didn't even use that for that. Okay, cool. Swings the sword. Okay. So there are things I think we could do that I might plan on doing. But let's move on to the fruit for now. Bad fruit. Okay. Bad. It's bad. Not bomb. It's just bad. Okay. Where do we have bomb? Bomb. Okay. And we want to replace it with bad. Find all. Replace all. Yep. Cool. We'll go into fruit. XY This is the position, SNC. Color. We want to change this dot C to this dot color. So find, replace, place, skip that one, find, there we go. Let's name this one color. Color with no alpha, used to fade. Bad fruit. Okay. Let's see. This dot speed. We want to say size now. This dot s. This dot size. Let's find this. I kind of need to wrap it now. This dot s. Replace. There we go. Eyes. Copy that. Paste it here. There. X velocity, Y velocity. Really, let's just make this a vector. This dot velocity equals create vector random x v x negative 6.5. Let's rename this. There we go. Oh, maybe I do want a random here. Okay, let's say random negative, let's say like -8 to -15. That'll be better. Okay. And we wanted this dot position equals create vector xy. There we go. Real quick, we have a random fruit, we have a clear color. Okay, cool. So there. Okay, so this is based upon x coordinate velocity here, based on calculates velocity to always point toward center. Returns velocity to always point toward center. Okay. Cleared color. Finds the color to fade to. Calculates. There we go. It returns. There we go. Random fruit. Generates a random fruit. There we go. Returns a random fruit. So we're just gonna say XY size color. Want that color. There we go. Okay, so we have randomize position. Then we have random size if it's greater than 1. So right now we never have any bad fruits. Here, let's make this a constant also. Let's say const bad fruit equals 0.99. 0.9 9. Chance of each fruit being bad. So bad fruit. Chance. Probability. Did I spell probability wrong? I think I did. I think there are 2 L's. No, okay. Goodness. Say, oh, no, I wanted bad fruit probability. There we go. Good or bad. So, base color upon, bad. Upon bad. Okay. Yes. Set the color. Random speed. Oop. Return fruit. There we go. Let's move this. Kind of want this to be here. There, cool. Now, so we've documented from the bottom to top, which really isn't conventional from what I've been doing, but I think we should be good. Draws fruit, handles fading. Which I kind of want to rework the fade. Right here we draw. Okay, cool. This dot B, this dot bad. If we're bad, determine. Okay. Nope. Whoopsie daisies. Determine stroke based upon bad. So that's that. If we're bad, then we have a stroke. If not, we don't have a stroke. So I want to handle fading a little bit better. This dot color, I don't think I want to say this dot color. Here, we'll say, because this dot color, okay, let's go, original color. So this is going to hold the original color. But then we need a variable. Color 51. So why do we have the clear color? We don't. We never use that. Which makes more sense because I didn't think the alpha did anything. I think we were originally going to make it so that it had alpha, but it doesn't have alpha. Then we say, okay, we're gonna say var color equals this dot color. We're gonna actually call it just fill color. There we go. And we're gonna say fill color equals lerp color, this dot color, color 51 by 0.1. And we're not gonna pass this. Actually, we are going to pass fill color. So now what we're going to say is, if it's visible, if it's sliced, this dot sliced time equals 0. Okay. Then we're going to say, if we draw it, okay, I'm gonna document this. Keep track of fade. So we have, if we're sliced, if this dot bad, game over. This dot slice, what was it? Slice time, plus plus. We have it 0. Slice time plus plus. Okay. Update. Update sliced time. Okay. Well, okay, I think we want to put that within the update function. Okay, there. and I still want this. Okay. Air resistance. Okay, I accidentally moved here. We want to fill color, and it's going to be this dot slice. Okay. Var interp equals this dot sliced time over over 10. Let's try that. Let's constrain this between 0 and 10. Okay. How much to interpolate? So var interp is how much we interpolate to the gray. Lerp to gray to background color. Okay, there we go. This should be a little bit better, and we have an error. Wow, that looks nice. Random fruit.js 87. Color equals okay. Fine. I'll make it call color. There we go. Can't use the same. It's just because it's namespace or something like that. Okay, we aren't getting any new so what's up with this? We aren't pushing any new fruits. Random X velocity, that's fine. RGB, we're good. Let's document this real quick and then we'll continue. Just to be sure. Handles velocity, this is y. Okay. This dot position dot x dot add this dot velocity. That should be good. Don't need any of this, don't need any of this. Handles position velocity, visibility, and slice time. So air resistance and gravity. We need to say, instead of this, we're going to say this dot visible equals this dot y less than height. So update visibility. There we go. Air resistance, gravity should be good. Let's try it. We have an error. Position. This dot position dot x dot add. Oh, it just needs to be dot add. My bad. Needs to be my bad dot add. What? Okay, so it doesn't seem like we're drawing correctly. Fill color this dot color. Let's comment this out real quick, and we'll just say this dot color. We getting any fruits? No, it's not drawing. Huh, I wonder what happened. Stroke, fill color. We say a random color, right? Okay, let's instead do 255. No, that didn't have it either. So obviously we're not, okay. Position dot x. This dot position dot y. Okay, where all do we say this dot x? Find. Okay, this is this dot velocity dot x times equals that. This dot velocity dot y. Okay, this dot x, this dot x, this dot y. Position dot y. Okay, let's go into, I think it's f, and I think it's fruit. I think I can just use fruit, but I just want to, yeah, okay. Fruit.x, fruit.y. Fruit.position.x, there we go. Find, replace, fruit.y, fruit.position.y. Replace, fruit.x velocity, no, okay. We don't deal with any of the velocity there. Fruit.size, did I change that? I can't remember. Let's see what happens now. Yes, now we do get the, we just don't fade. Cool. So as you can see, these are good. Except I died on accident. Okay. So let's try this. There we go. Okay, let's make the, let's make this more like 60. There. And I think we have the velocity a little bit too high. But yes, now the interpolation is working better, at least. And I accidentally hit it. Okay, but at least the interpolation is working. I'm liking that. Let's do where? What are we doing now? What was I just gonna change? Oh yeah, the velocity. So here is where we calculate the velocity. No. So where does speed come in? Let's just look at this. And we don't do anything with speed, so we can delete speed completely. Yeah. Cool. Because that's kind of confusing, because we have velocity and we have speed. And yeah, okay, cool. So on the up movement, we're fine. It's just on the down movement, it goes black instantly. That's odd. This should be minus 6 minus 10. Let's try this. There we go. Cool. That's that. There. And you can't really tell, it's just when it's on the down. Okay, here. Oh, that's why. If this dot sliced, then that's the only time we want to update slice time. That's why. Snap. Okay. So now we may want to make it quicker, because now we can't really tell which ones are sliced or not. So let's make it more like 15 frames. There we go. No, didn't mean to do that. Okay. There. Okay. Looking good. They don't have any X velocity, or they have barely any X velocity. And we may need to increase the Y, because I don't think that they are, okay, let's do air resistance a little bit more. A little bit less. There we go. I think that's better. We want them between more like 7 and -11. There we go. Now we're getting better heights. Cool, cool, cool. So I think that'll about do it. I think that's all. We've got the fading nicely done. And I think we're good. I think we could use some bad fruit probability a little bit more. Maybe? I don't know. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Okay, there. Going good. Oh, snap. Cool. I'm liking this. Well, yeah, that's about all. It's Friday, and I'm losing. But, yeah, I guess I will see you guys Monday when we will be refactoring. What will we be refactoring? Let's go to my channel through this way. Let's go here. What are we doing next? Tron. We're doing Tron. Fantastic. I'm excited about that. Awesome. Well, I'll see you guys later then. Thanks for joining. I'll see you guys Monday. Peace, peace.